8. Okay ji, next question number 5 of exercise 4.1. Perform the indicated operation and simplify. Perform the indicated operation. It means that you are given with a question and they are asking to solve it by subtracting it. As you are given with a rational expression, and we learned that rational expression behave like rational numbers, and you know that when you were having rational numbers and they were somebody asked you to add or subtract, what you have to do? You have to take LCM. And what is LCM? When you multiply common factor with non-common factors. Same we will apply here, as we have the rational expression and they are asking to subtract it. Okay. See, in denominator we have to take LCM, and we take LCM of denominators. If you see 2x minus 3y and this is 3y minus 2x, if we take minus common from here, 3y will become minus 3y and minus 2x will become 2x, because we took minus as common, and it will become 2x minus 3y. Why we did like this? Just to make the denominator same, because we also knew from our previous experience that when you have same denominators, you will write denominator once and you will add the numerator. Same we will apply here. We took minus common. When we take minus common, the denominator will become same. See, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. This minus and this minus, minus minus, plus. Okay, now we have the same denominator. And we will just add numerator. We will write the denominator once because it is same, and we add the numerators as we did 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3, 3 same, 2 plus 6, 8 by 3. Same we did over here, and we got 19, 2x minus 3y as our answer. Question number 5, part 2. 1 plus 2x, 1 minus 2x, minus 1 minus 2x, 1 plus 2x. As in last question, what we did, we made the denominator same. We cannot do the same thing over here, because see, if we take minus as common, minus 1, minus 2x. 1 will also become negative, 2x will also become negative, but we need 1 as positive and 2x as negative, and if we take minus as common, both the terms will become negative, so we cannot take minus as common. We also know that what is LCM? LCM is common factors multiplied by non-common factors. In this particular question, there is no common factor. 1 minus 2x, 1 plus 2x, no common factor. But we have two non-common factors, 1 minus 2x, 1 plus 2x. Okay. What we did? We take LCM. LCM is common factors multiplied by non-common factors. In this particular question, there is no common factors and there are two non-common factors. We took those non-common factors as LCM. अब हम करते क्या हैं? जब हम LCM ले लेते हैं तो हमें क्या करना होता है? जो हमारा न्यूमरेटर होता है, we multiply numerator with the different expression. 1 minus 2x is there, 1 minus 2x is there. We leave this and we will have 1 plus 2x. Again, 1 plus 2x will be multiplied by with 1 plus 2x because we leave the same and it will be multiplied with different. 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x, we will leave it and this numerator will be multiplied by with the different 1 plus 2x. Same we will do over here. This 1 minus 2x will be multiplied with, see, 1 plus 2x, these two will be same and this is different, 1 plus 2x, these two are same and this 1 minus 2x will be multiplied by this 1 minus 2x. Okay, see, bases are same, powers will be added. 1 plus 2x whole square minus bases are same, powers will be added and denominator will become as it is. Okay, see, a plus b whole square. Which formula we will use here? A plus b whole square, and here we will use a minus b whole square. And we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. 1 plus 2x whole square, 1 is a and 2x is b, a square plus 2a b plus b square, and a minus b whole square, a square minus 2a b plus b square. Okay. 1 square means 1, 2 2s are 4x plus 2 2s are 4x square. 1 minus 2 2s are 4x plus 4x square. And see, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. What is a minus b, a plus b? It is a square minus b square, as a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. We will open the brackets. 1 plus 4x square, as minus is there, so all signs will be changed. Minus 1 plus 4x minus 4x square. 1 square means 1 and 2x whole square means 4x square. 1 will be cancelled out with minus 1, plus 1 will be cancelled out with minus 1, and plus 4x square will be cancelled out with minus 4x square. Like terms 4x and 4x, it will become 8x. 1 minus 4x square is your answer. Question number 5, part 3 and 4 is your homework. Look at part 5 of question number 5. You have x minus 2, x square plus 6x plus 9, x plus 2, 2x square minus 18. As you have rational expressions, you have to take LCM, common factors multiplied by non-common factors. First of all, we will make factors of these expressions. See, x whole square and 9, we will write this as 3 whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. X square, x whole square, 9 is 3 whole square, 9 is b, 2ab. This become a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So x minus 2, x plus 2x, 3 plus 3 whole square. This will become a plus b whole square. Come to this, x plus 2 as it is. See, we can easily take 2 as common. When we took 2 common, we will be left with x square minus 2 9s are 18. 2 common from 18, 2 9s are 18. Okay. So you have x minus 2, x plus 3 whole square minus x plus 2, see, x square minus 9. Again, we can write it as x whole square minus 3 whole square, because we have to make factors. We have to make factors. So x square minus 9 will become x whole square minus 3 whole square, a square minus b square. This will become a plus b, a minus b. X minus 2, x plus 3 whole square. We can write it as x plus 3, x plus 3. Bases are same, exponents are added. So when we split it, it will become x plus 3 whole square will become x plus 3 minus x plus 2, a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. Now we will take LCM. What was the LCM? LCM was common factors multiplied by non-common factors as we did in previous questions. Now see common factors. X plus 3, x plus 3. We have to see these two rational expression. In these two rational expression, x plus 3, x plus 3. So x plus 3, x plus 3 common. We will write it as for one time. Again, see, there is no common factor of this x plus 3. So what was LCM? Common factors multiplied by non-common factors. There is no common factor anymore, so we will write non-common factors. So first non-common factor x plus 3 and second non-common factor x minus 3, and also we have this 2. Again I repeat, we have to take LCM as this is rational expression p by q form. We have to take LCM. For LCM we have to take common factors multiplied by non-common factors. Common factors in these two expressions, x plus 3 common. This x plus 3 is left, it is non-common. We will also write it, and x minus 3 non-common, we will write it, and 2 is also a non-common factor. Now same procedure is there. We will leave the common things from denominator. X plus 3, we will leave these x plus 3, and this x minus 2 will be multiplied by 2x minus 3, because what we have to do is we have to leave the same denominator. We will leave same denominator and we will multiply numerator with different denominator. X plus 3, we will leave these two and we will left with 2x minus 3. So this x minus 2 will be multiplied by 2x minus 3. Again we will do the same thing. 2x plus 3, x minus 3, you are left with x plus 3. So this x plus 2 will be multiplied by x plus 3. Again we have the common things, 2x plus 3, x minus 3. We are left with this x plus 3 and it will be multiplied with numerator x plus 2. Okay, 2. Now multiply x minus 2 with x minus 3. X square plus minus 2x plus minus 3x minus plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. When you multiply x minus 2 with x minus 3, you will get x square minus 5x plus 6 minus x plus 2, x plus 3. When you multiply x plus 2 with x plus 3, you will get x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, now multiply this 2 with this expression, 2x square minus 5 2s are 10x, 6 2s are 12 minus x square, as minus is there, so this plus will become minus and also this plus will become minus. 2x square minus 10x plus 12 minus x square minus 5x minus 6, and see x plus 3, we have to make them in a form. So bases are same, exponents will be added, x plus 3 same is there, so x plus 3 whole square and this x minus 3. Okay, now like terms will be solved. 2x square minus x square, when you will subtract 2x square and minus x square, you will get x square minus 10x minus 5x minus plus 10 5 15, sign will be negative, plus 12 minus 6 plus 12 minus 6, it will become plus 6, plus minus and sign of greater number plus is there and you have the same denominator. So x square minus 15x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 3 whole square, x minus 3 is your answer. The next part, number 6 of question number 5 is 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 and so on. See, there are 4 terms in this question, so we will first solve these 2 terms and then we will move to next 2 terms. Same, we will do the same procedure. Rational expressions are there, so we will take LCM. By taking LCM of these 2, we have to see LCM is common factors multiplied by uncommon factors. See, there is no common factor in this term. Both are the uncommon factors, so we will write x minus 1, x plus 1. Same things are there. We will ignore them and 1 will be multiplied with x plus 1 minus, we will ignore the same things and this one will be multiplied by x minus 1. Again, we will leave the same things and the remaining thing will be multiplied with numerator. We leave the same things and numerator will be multiplied by different number. Okay, this will become like as it is, but if you see this, we can apply the formula a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, 1 multiplied by x means x plus 1 minus x minus plus 1 minus 2 same as it is, and we will put formula x a plus b, a minus b, x square plus 1, x square minus 1. See, this x will be answered with minus x, 1 plus 1, 2, and again see x minus 1, x plus 1, this is a minus b, a plus b, it will become a square minus b square. Why we did this? Because in next terms we have x square plus 1 and x square plus 1, x square minus 1. So to make the common factors as LCM, for LCM we did x square minus 1. Okay, again 3 rational expressions are there. We will take LCM. When we took LCM, we see common factors multiplied by non-common factors. X square minus 1, x square minus 1. We will write once. X square plus 1, x square plus 1. We will write once. Same things. We will leave the same thing and 2 will be multiplied with x square minus 1. Minus 2. Leave the same things and this 2 will be multiplied with x square minus 1. We have x square minus 1, x square plus 1. So we will just write 4 over here because there is no different factor in this. X square plus 1 is there, x square minus 1 is there. So we will just write 4. Okay, now we will multiply this 2 with this and this minus 2 with this. We will get 2x square plus 2 minus 2x square plus 2 as minus plus is there. Minus 4. See, this 2x square, we will cancel it with minus 2x square, 2 plus 2 and minus 4 is left. 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4, 4 is cancelled out with minus 4, we will left with 0, and when 0 is divided with something, we will get 0 as our answer. Dear students, you cannot cancel this x plus 1 with this x plus 1. I am going to explain it with this example. If you have rational numbers like this, you can easily cancel 2 with this 4. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. But you cannot cancel if it is written like this. You cannot cancel this 3 with this 6 and this 2 with this 4 because you are having this minus sign. This is your concept of class 7th and 8th. Same we will apply over here as this. There is minus sign over here. So we cannot cancel this x plus 1 with this x plus 1 and this x minus 1 with this x. If you will have a multiply sign or both these factors will be multiplied, then you will cancel easily. Otherwise you cannot cancel them, okay? Because which sign is this? Minus. If minus or plus is this, you cannot cancel them, okay? Next, question number 6. Perform the indicated operation and simplify. Simplify means you have to simplify, but what is the indicated operation means? Indicated operation means that in particular question you are asked, like see question number 1, you are asked to multiply these two. So, and in question number 2, the indicated operation is division. What you have to do is multiply in this and divide in this question and simplify. Okay? X square minus 49. Now you can easily see that we can write x square as x whole square minus 49 as 7 whole square. This dot means you have to multiply. Applying formula a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. This will become x plus 7, x minus 7. Okay. Cancel x plus 7. You will be left with x minus 7 and 5x plus 2. If they ask you to make it in lowest form, this will be your answer. But what is the caution? That you have to simplify. So for simplification, what you have to do is multiply x minus 7 with 5x plus 2. So minus 14 is your answer. Look at the next question. In this, you have to simplify. See, for simplification, 4x minus 12, you can easily take 4 as common and you will be left with x minus 3. 4x minus 12, we will take 4 as common. 4, 3s are 12 and see x whole square minus 3 whole square. Divided by, we can take 2 as common, 2 9s are 18 and this will become x square plus 3 whole square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square, it will be a plus b, a minus b. Again, and this will become x plus 3 whole square. Cancel out. Plus x, 3 minus x, and you can write this x plus 3 whole square as x plus 3, x plus 3. This is the division sign. It will be changed into multiply, and fraction will be, we take reciprocal. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. We can write 3 plus x as x plus 3. But we cannot write 3 minus x as x minus 3. Okay. See, this x plus 3 will be cancelled out with this x plus 3. This x plus 3 will be cancelled out with this x plus 3. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. We will be left with 2, 3 minus x. Next part 3 of question number 6. x6 minus y6 x square minus y square divided by x4 plus x square y square plus y4. See, this is x6 minus y6 divided by x square minus y square. Can we write x6 as x3 whole square? See, x 3 2s are 6. This will become again 6, but for making something equal, we put the formula x cube square minus y cube square. It will become 6x6 minus y6, but see, for making it like this, you will have a square minus b square. A square minus b square, which will be equal to a plus b, a minus b. And this is a square minus b square, again a plus b, a minus b. Here you can write x4 as x square whole square and y4 as y square whole square, and this x square y square as x whole square y whole square, because we have the formulas a square minus b square as a plus b and a minus b. Also a square whole square plus ab whole square plus b square whole square is equals to a square plus ab plus b square and a square minus ab plus b square. You have to learn these formulas. So we will apply on this a square plus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square, and a square minus ab plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Again, see, this is x cube plus y cube and this is x cube minus y cube. We will apply formula of x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube on these terms. What is a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and this is a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and this will become as it is. As division is there, we will change it into multiplication and we take reciprocal of it. There is one irrational expression from a, we have made a rational expression, one in numerator and this whole term in denominator. Okay, see, this x plus y will be cancelled out with this x plus y, this x plus minus y will be cancelled out with this x minus y, this whole term minus, and this you will be left with 1, which is your answer. Question number 6, part 4 and 5 are just like these, the previous questions, and these two questions are your homework as well. This is all from exercise 4.1. Dear students, what you have to do is that also practice the related examples of this exercise so that exercise will become more easier and comprehensible to you all. Thank you very much.